Here's NEKU app Make Avatar Sticker. So yeah, quite popular app these days where you can just create some nice stickers or hand-drawn cartoon your social network profile, create self-portraits, create stickers. So yeah, that's the idea what you can get here. And then yeah, you can just open it up and then you just have it here. You can just go and proceed to this app, and then you have some nice daily bonuses. You get them, and then for example you have some profiles, you can like them, you can so yeah, you can star them. If you want, you can just paint it.
Respected user, your mobile
Yeah,
phone has not
unfortunately
been
there are so
activated to
many
make
annoying
money by
ads
walking
here
for free.
in
Here to
this
remind
app.
you to click.
Oops. So I'm just showing you around here. And then yeah, for example, you can select and then you can try to make sticker from this and then add to iMessage, or you can just draw and create it as you want. And then yeah, then you have your avatar, daily top avatar stickers, like some, that's the idea. And then you can also have like some drawing together thingy where you can just participate and you just draw this image together with some friend. So yeah, that's what it is, that's what you can get here. And yeah, as you can see, that's where it is. So something around that.